Hi, I'm Adam. This is for the landlords. We help landlords make more money, get less hassle and their time back. We're here today in Hull and we're having a progress update. Let's get into it. Okay.
In your own time.
Lovely. So here we are. We're back in Hull, HU5, for the third instalment on the progress on the renovation. Here with Dean. He's sourced the house, he's managing the renovation. And if you watched the last video, which you should, go back and watch the first two. Come back and watch this one, you'll see there's been a bit of a transformation since last time. So, what's happened since we were last here?
Yeah, good afternoon everybody. Well, we've got the decorators in now, so we're on the final stages of the renovation. The wire's completed, although outside, which we may film earlier on, we've been waiting for a main earth to be put in, which has been, which has held up the final sign-off of the electrics.
Let's just talk about that, because has that delayed the job a little bit?
No, it hasn't. We've managed to get everything done, but we can't do the final testing and sign off until the earths are back into the property. Yeah, that's getting done, but that's been a month as that. So we've been.
So we've been cracking on since then.
Yeah, it's a free of charge. That's Yorkshire Electricity Board put in for us.
Okay.
So it's no cost to us, but it's just taken a huge amount of time.
All right, and then since we were last here, then what's been happening?
What else has been happening? I think I reported we did some joist ends, but what we've also done as well is we've finished up having to re-pipe the whole of the heating system, which wasn't planned.
So that happens.
So it does happen, unfortunately.
So we budget at the start of the renovation when we're buying the house for the client. Lots of the full scope of works, and we always explain sometimes that, there's a requirement for a contingency spend, and in this case, we've had to replace some joist ends and we've had to repipe. What did you say it was? The whole of the
heating system.
The whole of the heating system. Okay, so
yeah, it was completely
these
wrong.
Things you want to do now, while the house is like this, rather than.
The other thing we've done as well is we've actually been up into the loft and we've shored up the chimneys, because the chimney breasts had been removed by a previous owner of the house, and they just weren't supported whatsoever. So we've had to go in and support those properly, which again is a contingency spend, because it's something that you don't.
These are things you can't always see. When you're viewing the house, you get probably 10 minutes in here when it was on the market with agent, maybe a bit longer because you know them well, but you don't get to rip stuff out. You can't always work.
No, we can't get under.
Things like the floor joist. You wouldn't know. Carpet down, and it's not that easy.
There was furniture in the house, which we've had to dispose of. The other thing is we've just literally, before we started filming this, we've just ordered all the flooring. So the flooring will be going down. We've just had a little bit of to and fro with the flooring contractor, but we've managed to get a little bit cheaper than we thought.
Nice.
So
I heard him say that would take 2 days, right?
Yeah, it's a 2-day job to do all the flooring in here, and that will probably be getting started maybe a week tomorrow through early part of the following week. So we're probably 10 working days away from this getting ready to go live on the market.
We're going to have another clear of the front and back garden.
We've cleared it once. We'll obviously clear it again.
Yeah. Amazing. All right. So
it's turned out well as this, because now the downstairs shower room's installed.
That's in since last time.
Since last time, and it's looking good. Yeah, I'm pleased with the.
So this will be heading to the renter market in the next 10 to 14 days then. Yeah. And we'll come back. So make sure you like and subscribe, get a notification for the next video that we put out there. The fourth and final installment of this will be the finished house. Yeah. So you'll have seen the progress right from start, right through to the end. And if you want to find out more about how we can source and renovate property for you, or teach you how to do it for yourself using our training and mentoring program, there are links in the bio, in the description. Feel free to book a call and come and meet us. We run a masterclass. It's a free Zoom presentation once a fortnight. There is a link there to book that, and it's lots and lots of information all about buy, refurb, rent, refinance and repeat. So there we go. Thanks, Dean.
No problem.
See you in a few weeks.
All right. Thanks, guys.